Hello everyone, let's solve a problem, and this problem has been asked in GATE Metallurgy 2021. The question is for a zeroth order chemical reaction. Okay, so there is a chemical reaction and its order is zero order. Which one of the following is false? Okay, so we know that differential rate law for zero order reaction is minus dC by dt is equal to K into concentration C to the power 0. And if we see the integrated rate law, then it will be Ct equal to C naught minus Kt. This is for the zeroth order reaction. So the concentration versus time plot is a straight line. Okay. If we draw the graph, that is basically Ct versus T, that is the concentration versus time. So this graph is just a straight line with the negative slope, and it would look like this. Yeah, where slope will be equal to minus of K. Got it? This is Ct and this is T. So it is just like y equal to minus nx plus C type of graph, which has a negative slope. Okay. So the first option is correct. Yes, the concentration versus time plot is a straight line. Second, increase in concentration of reacting species increases the rate of reaction. That is completely wrong because it's a rate of reaction. If we see the differential rate law for the zero order reaction, this one, okay, the rate of reaction is not depending on the concentration of the reactant. So this statement is false. Third one is half-life depends on the initial concentration and zero order rate constant. Okay, if we find the half-life, we have the integrated rate law as Ct equal to C naught minus Kt. For half-life, we can keep Ct is C naught by 2. Okay, that is the time required to change the concentration to C naught by 2. That is the half of the initial concentration. So C naught by 2 equal to C naught minus Kt. That T will be now half-life. And if we find the half-life, this will be C naught by 2K. So this is basically the expression for the half-life. And we see that half-life is depending on the initial concentration, that is C naught. Okay, so half-life is depending on initial concentration, as well as half-life is depending on zero order rate constant, that is K. So this statement is again correct. And the last one, rate of reaction depends on temperature. So if we know that from Arrhenius equation, that is K equal to A into e to the power minus EA by RT, where K is a rate constant, A is pre-exponential factor, E is activation energy, R is universal gas constant, and T is temperature in Kelvin. Okay, so rate constant increases when we increase temperature, and that's the reason the rate will also increase. So that is also correct, because we know that whether reaction is endothermic or exothermic, reaction rate will increase upon increase in temperature. And for every 10-degree rise in temperature, reaction rate is approximately 2 times. Okay, so it increases by 2 times for every 10-degree rise in temperature. So this is also correct. Now we'll come to the question, for a zeroth order chemical reaction, which one is false? So the false statement is B. So that's the correct answer. Thank you.